Your return has brought much joy to the village. Look at all the smiling faces.
Yes, but there's one smiling face I don't see. Where is my daughter?
You know Pocahontas. She has her mother's spirit. She goes wherever the wind takes her.
Pocahontas! Your father's back! Come down here!
He's back, Flick. Come on, Miko.
No! Not that way! Show off. Pocahontas? Pocahontas? Are you all right? Well, you better be all right, because I'm not coming in after you! Don't you think we're getting a little old for these games? Help me turn this thing over. What were you doing up there?
Thinking.
Miko? About the dream again? Well, have you figured it out yet?
I know it means something, I just don't know what.
You should ask your father about it.
Maybe I should. Come on, Flick. Quit playing around. We have to get back.